Hello everyone, it is DIY time with Charrese. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really stylish, awesome decor pieces. You can use these pieces as home decor, office decor, makeup vanity decor, bedroom decor, college dorm decor. It is all up to you. And we're going to be using only items from Dollar Tree and 99-cent stores. So if you have any gift boxes lying around or you just feel like getting crafty, this is definitely the video for you, and I can't wait. Let's get started. Oh, and by the way, my name is Charrese. Welcome to my channel, Gracefully Charrese. So this is my very first DIY video. I'm so excited because I love being crafty. I've loved creativity, artistry, arts and crafts ever since I was a little girl, as far back as I can remember. And I even put together this centerpiece here, and I will be showing you how to make these in another video. But today we are going to focus on our stylish, cool little decor pieces. I can't even think right now. So let's start off with the tools. So tools. For this decor piece, I bought a cylinder-shaped gift box that you can buy from Dollar Tree. This actually went on top. I will be showing you a picture of it on the screen. I'm going to show you exactly how I made that one, but using a square box. Next, you will be needing these wraps, okay? This one that I use for the cylinder shaped box, this is called diamond wrap, and it is a 6 foot by 1 inch wrap, which is the perfect size for what we're working with today. Ooh. However, for this one, we're going to go ahead and use some pearls. So this one is called pearl wrap. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need some glue. I'm using super glue. Didn't even know it was leaking. And you're going to need some stones. However, I do want to point out that you don't have to use white stones. You can actually get other rocks and pebbles. There are the colored ones that you see at 99-cent stores and Dollar Trees as well. Whatever fits your design. But today we're going to be using some white rocks, and I'll let you know why later. And lastly, you will be needing some flowers. Now, if you were a kid, please have an adult help you with this, because the glue and the scissors, it can be dangerous for anyone at any age, but especially if you're a child. Not that I'm underestimating your artsmanship, but just for safety purposes, please get an adult to help you with scissors and glue. And I'm also going to add some gloves because, yeah, you don't want to get glue on your fingers. I don't even know how to get this off, but let's get started. Okay, step one. We are going to get our box. Okay, I'm going to take the lid off. And we are going to measure, we can play this by eye, okay, just how much we need. Okay, so we're going to be cutting it. You don't need to take the whole row out, just keep there. There you go. So now that we have our piece cut, we're now going to glue it to the box. I did the very same thing with the cylinder shaped box. However, again, I'm going to show you on the screen. This one was made to where the lid was, there was like an indentation here. And so this fit like perfectly. We're going to just put a little bit of glue on the box, just a little, just a little bit. Don't make the mistake I just made. Be careful that you don't get any glue on any other parts. By the way, Happy New Year. Maybe that's a little late. So we have to patiently let this dry. We don't want to do too much. It doesn't have to be completely dry, but let it dry mostly. Airplane, that's really rude. I'm filming. I'm just kidding. They're not going to stop like the world for me to glue some pearls on a gift box, right? Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. The pearls are drying on the box. take your time, trying to find a word to rhyme. Kind of cracked there. Something that will rhyme. You guys know I'm a Disney princess. Oh, you gonna be glued. You're gonna be glued. Gotta clean your station, clean up as you go. So let me move these aside. So one thing I want to say, I don't mind sharing my mistakes here, is this particular brand of glue from the 99-cent store is not a very good brand of glue. I actually used E6000 glue, which is not for arts and crafts, but it worked spectacularly on this cylindrical, I want to say that word, shaped gift box. But get a glue that you know is going to work really well. But we're still demonstrating, so let's carry on. So this box actually comes with a bow on it, and I don't want the bow on it, but I'm going to try to cut it off very carefully. And I'm saying that just in case you want to use it for another part of the design. I can actually pull it off. So this way it is going to be a flat surface. We're actually going to use this because it looks pretty. You don't have to glue it, you can just set it in there. So just to add a little oomph, remember that ribbon that we just cut off of the lid? Well, I wanted to go ahead and glue it on the box in a very random place because why not? I hope it doesn't trigger anybody. I'm sorry if it does. But I just wanted to do something a little different instead of like centering it. Okay, now I'm going to move these out of the way because we're going to go ahead and fix our box. That there. That there. Okay, so down to business. Okay, now we're actually going to be choosing our flowers. 99-cent store. A combination of 99-cent store. 99-cent store. And the winner is, we're gonna try purple. I'm gonna go for a more minimalist style. So I forgot to mention one thing. These flowers typically have wires on the inside, so I actually, when I cut the flowers, I actually have to use wire cutters. Again, if you are a kid, please have an adult to assist you with this. Have them to cut the flowers for you. Please do not do them by yourself. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to center this, okay, and we are going to pour some rocks inside. I actually got one of those twisty ties from like a loaf of bread and I like tied these together. Let's just go ahead and pour them in. How about that? Okay. So why do we need these? We need these because if you are decorating to where people can see like an above view, then you have something pretty going on the inside. Okay. So by the looks of things, it looks like if you get that size of bag, you're gonna need like 2 bags, maybe just a little bit more than 2 bags. Or you can get this interesting dried up straw grass stuff and you can put it in here as well, and maybe you can have a whole nother look. Or you can put this at the bottom. This gives you a whole different feel actually. Let me spread this out. Ooh, don't let it get in your eyes, you guys. Please don't tell me I'm gonna need some goggles too. So maybe you want that look and you want it to look more planted, more of a naturey feel. So let me bring this up close so that you can see how this looks. Okay, of course you want to just take a moment to arrange your flowers the way you would like for them to sit. Again, if you need to get like some type of a twisty tie that matches, maybe a green one for this, so that it'll stay like as closely as you want it to stay, then go ahead and do that. And once you're done doing that, voila, all done. And this is the beautiful piece that you get. And again, if you use the white stones to fill up the whole box, and you would see those instead of what I have in here now. So it is a little heavy, which is actually good. So like if you shake the table, then you know it's not going to go anywhere. It's honestly like it has some weight to it. So now I'm going to show you the different possibilities, the different ways that you can use these decor pieces. So you can use these in your bedroom for bedroom decor, or you can use these as office decor. Something else that you can do is use these lovely pieces as a part of your makeup vanity, your makeup desk, wherever you do your makeup at, even in the bathroom. You can use them as a permanent stay or just something that you pull out every once in a while just to feel extra feminine. I just love these. You can even use one side as a candy dish. Put some candy or some peppermints in there. The other side can just be the flowers, and it'll just be not only beautiful but tasty as well. You can also use these in the living room. Now for the square one here, you can actually just go ahead and take this lid back off, set it separately, and then you can put something like your car keys or maybe even a coaster in there, and then you can put a cup there as well. So for this setup, it's just the white rocks and some peppermint on top, and in the other side I have the keys and your remote control. Just get creative, whatever you would like, that's what you can do. So those are just a few ideas of what you can do with these beautiful, awesome, stylish little decor pieces. So I've shown you how to make them. The rest is up to you. So that is all, y'all, for DIY with Charrese. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys seen something that you really like. Go try it out. Again, you can find these tools at the 99-cent store and at Dollar Tree. I had fun doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and my antics, including all of my mistakes. Hey, none of us are perfect, and we learn from our mistakes. I make the mistakes so that you guys don't have to. And I think my allergies are starting to act up, so I'm gonna wrap this up, and I will see you guys again. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be doing some more DIYs on this channel, and I'm actually gonna be showing you guys, like I mentioned at the beginning, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this beautiful centerpiece. Everything bought here from the 99-cent store, so stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and remember, whatever you do, do all things in love and gracefully. Bye.